Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in Amazon employee account. So for that, what you need to do is tap open a Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. Once you do that on the web browser, you need to type in Amazon employee login and press enter. It will show you the search result for the keyword, and from here you need to click open this link, Amazon A2Z login. Click open this. Now to log in into the Amazon employee account, you need to provide the login details. Type in your Amazon login username or the ID of yours. Click on login. Then below you need to type in the password. Once you provided both the details, you need to click on login. This will get you logged in into the Amazon employee account right away. So here, if you forgot your account password, you can click on this link below over here, which will direct you to this page. And in this page, you will be able to reset your employee account password. So this is how you can log in into the Amazon employee account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.